group will present about the revision for question 1, session 2, 2023 and 2024. And my name is Nur Arisha Fatia binti Sukri and my metric number F1007.
And my name is Siti Nihayah binti Mazlan, metric number F1099.
First, for the question 1, AI Roman, identify the distinction between a hacker and an attacker. The first answer is hacker, a person with technical expertise who understand and modify computer system, but their intent is not necessarily harmful. For example, white hat hacker work to enhance cybersecurity and protect system from vulnerabilities. Second, attacker, someone who deliberately exploits system weakness for malicious purpose such as stealing data, causing damage, or disrupting operation. For example, black hat hacker fall into this category and often seek personal gain through cyber attack. Next, for A to Roman, explain two goals of information security. The first one is confidentially ensure sensitive information is accessible only to authorized individuals. This is achieved through security measures like password protection and encryption. The second one, integrity guarantee the accuracy and reliability of data, preventing unauthorized modification, mechanisms like digital authentication and checksum validation help maintain data integrity. The last one for question A to Roman, explain three different types of security attacks. The first one is phishing attack, which is occur when attackers use fraudulent email or website to trick users into revealing personal information such as password or credit card detail. To prevent this, users should avoid clicking suspicious links and enable multi-factor authentication (MFA). The second one is denial of service (DOS). Attacks disrupt online service by flooding them with excessive traffic, rendering them inaccessible. Protection measures include firewalls and instruction prevention system (IPS). The last one, man-in-the-middle (MITM) attacks involve an attacker intercepting communication between two parties to steal or alter transmitted data. Using end-to-end encryption protocols such as TLS and VPNs helps mitigate this risk.
For question B1 Roman, two guidelines for creating a strong password. First, let's talk about how to create a strong password. Here are two important guidelines. First, use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters and numbers, and also symbols. For example, a password like Azrul Elias 205 is hard for hacker to guess. Second, avoid using personal information such as your name or birthday. For example, Aiman 2002 is too easy to guess. Next, for question B2 Romans, 3 ways to protect our data. Next, here are 3 approaches that we can take to protect our data. First, use antivirus and firewall. This helps to prevent viruses and block authorized access to our system. Second, regularly update software. Updating software helps protect our device with the latest security patches. 3. Store important data in an encryption form. Even if someone get access to the data, they won't be able to read it without the key. Next, question C, 3 common types of encryption. Now let's look at 3 common types of encryption used to secure communication. First, symmetric encryption. This uses the same key for both encryption and disk encryption. One example is AES. Second, asymmetric encryption. This uses 2 keys, a public key and a private key. A popular example is RSA. Third, hashing. This changes data into a fixed value. It is often used for storing password securely, like with SHA-256.